Guys, starting off this vlog with this car. I'm not sure of the name of the car. Let me know in a comment. It's an Audi. Here we have a BMW 520D. Nice BMW and nice Mercedes. Here we have a Jeep, and on the side we have an Audi. Seeing a lot of good cars today. And there's a Mercedes coming on my front. Which model is it? Here's a BMW, here's a Ford Endeavour. Here we have a Volvo XC90. There's a Mercedes on the right. Wow, beautiful car. Here we have a Jeep Meridian. Here we have an Audi Q7. Here we have a nice Volvo. Here we have a nice Audi and BMW. Here's the Audi and BMW. There's a very good looking BMW coming this way. Comment down below guys, which model is it? GLA Mercedes. Here we have a Park Audi A6. It's quite dirty though. Here we have a Porsche and Aprilia. Here we have a Mercedes A200D. Here we have a Gypsy 4x4. Comment down below guys, whoever owns a Gypsy, let me know in a comment, because this thing should not get replaced by any EV or something. Wish they make cars like this, you know, even today. I'm sure there will be a lot of sale. Oh, nice exhaust. We have a KTM 390 Adventure. I'm not sure about the pillion seat, man, it's looked very sleek and pointy. BMW 520D. So guys, let me know in a comment which model of BMW is this. Looks very unique. The color, the design, the curves. It has dual exhaust as well. Looks very nice. Audi A4. There we have the cool looking BMW as well. A Mini. We have the X5 out here. Really polished chrome wheels, nice. Here we have a white colored X5 again. Skoda looks nice. Here we have Apache 310. Here we have the BMW X5. I guess it's the old model. There's no sharp edges to it. Has a broad tires GLC to 2OD. Here we have the Audi Q3. Here we have a Toyota Velfire. Last time I saw was the black one. This time we have a very pearly white color. Probably it's very luxurious on the inside. Comment down below, guys, why this car is very expensive. And just look at the design of this thing. Here's the rear view. And this is how it looks like from the side. Very nice. We have a BMW X7 out here. With big alloys. Looks nice.